Hey guys, if you've got an issue with your Subaru just randomly popping the hood without you doing it automatically during high-speed driving, in this video I'm gonna show you why your Subaru does it and how you can fix it. So this is your hood lock. I've removed it from the car and already cleaned it a bit because this was really messy. The problem is, what basically happens is these two brackets rust, and when that happens, if I'll remove this spring shortly, it gets really difficult to move. I don't know if you can hear this. It's scraping and there's a lot of friction between these plates. And basically what happens is this is the part where your hood unlock latch attaches to, and this is what actually latches the hood. So there is on this part here, when the hood latch folds down, there is a piece at the end of this that fixes this in place so the hood doesn't open. But with the high amount of friction between these plates, this thing doesn't close all the way and doesn't fully lock the hood, and that's why your hood opens. Now you could just get a stiffer spring to compensate for that. Although those are only temporary measures, I would recommend you to get a new lock or redo this, but this is gonna be really hard and not really worth the effort in my opinion. Now I hope after all of this I've convinced you that buying a new hood lock is probably the best thing to do for your safety, although if you're gonna take alternative actions, it's better than doing nothing. And well, I'll see you guys.